Hello students, welcome to SRBPS online classes. In today's video, we'll learn about the places of tourist attraction in Delhi. Delhi is a very old city. It has many old historical buildings, monuments, parks, tombs and forts. Let's learn about these one by one. Red Fort. This is a major landmark of Delhi. Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag here on the Independence Day. India Gate. This is a building built in the memory of brave soldiers of our country who sacrificed their lives in the battles. A flame, which is called Amar Jawan Jyoti, is lit here at all times in their memory. Qutub Minar. This is another important monument in Delhi. There is an iron pillar beside the Qutub Minar which has not rusted even after hundreds of years. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar is an observatory located in Delhi. It was built by Raja Jai Singh. Samadhis of some great leaders of India are also situated in Delhi. These are Rajghat, which is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, Shantivan, which is the Samadhi of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vijay Ghat, which is the Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri, Shakti Sthal, which is the Samadhi of Indira Gandhi, and Veer Bhumi, which is the Samadhi of Rajiv Gandhi. Some important religious places like Birla Mandir, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Gurudwara Shishganj, St. James Church, Akshardham Temple, Hazrat Nizamuddin Dargah, and Lotus Temple are located in Delhi. Jama Masjid, which is one of the largest mosques of India, is also located here. Other tourist attractions are Rail Museum, Dolls Museum, Nehru Planetarium, Delhi Zoo, Humayun's Tomb, and Old Fort, Chandni Chowk and Connaught Place are the two important markets of Delhi.